This part of the bulletin is brought to you by Gautam Bali Makeup Studio and Academy, Sector 1, Chani Himmat, Jammu.
नमस्कार और मैं हूं आपके साथ अनमोल मट्टू। तो आइए नजर डालते हैं अब तक की कुछ बड़ी खबरों पर। Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing the nation today after the country's milestone of 100 crore vaccinations, said it was not just a number but a symbol of country's ability and of a new India. He had added that India's critics had been silenced. 100 crore vaccines is just not a number. It is the reflection of the capacity of this country. This is a new chapter of the country, a country that knows how to achieve huge targets, PM Modi said. Saying that the achievement was an answer to all those criticizing India's inoculative drive, Modi said everyone is comparing India to other countries, but remember, India's starting point was different. The other countries have always participated in medicine and vaccination for a long time, and everyone questioned whether India will be able to do the needful. 100 crore jabs is the answer to all the questions. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha said that the Jammu and Kashmir police is one of the few police in the world which is playing an active role against terrorism by going beyond the normal police functioning. I pay my homage to all the police martyrs who laid down their lives in the line of duty and fighting terrorists. He also announced to set up a boarding school in Srinagar for the children of martyr policemen on this occasion. The Lieutenant Governor said that the police and other security agencies are playing a commendable role in restoring an atmosphere of peace, security and trust in Jammu and Kashmir. He said that our police and other security agencies are engaged in public service from suppressing terrorism and maintaining law and order situation even in emergency situations. Due to the ruthless killings of migrant workers in the valley, the exodus of the Hindus from Kashmir continues unabated. The effect of this migration is being seen in the Jammu division. In view of the festival of Diwali and Chhath, now migrant workers from Jammu also amidst panic. Migration has started. Due to the killings of migrant workers in Kashmir, there is a lot of panic among the families of workers living in outside states. Narendra Das, a laborer living in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, says that he is working as a daily wage earner in Jammu for the past 6 years. But his family members are worried about him. That's why he is going back to his state. If the migrant in Jammu and Kashmir, if the migrant of workers is not stopped, then in the coming days it will have an impact on various government projects going on this state. In Jammu and Kashmir, a suspicious youth was caught by the army and handed over to the police in Vembar Gully area of Poonch district. Pakistani numbers and many objectionable and inflammatory videos have been found in his mobile phone. Security agencies are interrogating the arrested person. He is suspected to be an overground worker. Sensation spread due to the arrest of the suspect in the Batundian village of Poonch in the midst of the ongoing encounter for the last 8 days. A youth was seen roaming in a suspicious condition in Vembar Street or the entrance of the Poonch district, police said. It was found that he was photographing military installations. He was immediately caught by the soldiers of the army. During interrogation, he revealed his name as Muhammad Jamil. Unprecedented security arrangements have been made in Jammu and Srinagar on the first visit of Union Home Minister Amit Shah to Jammu and Kashmir starting from October 23 after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. Along with the deployment of security forces everywhere, drones will also be monitored. As the part of the tour, he will launch an air service from Srinagar to Sharjah. Along with this, beneficiaries of various central schemes and panchayat representatives will meet in the beneficiary conference. In addition to holding a high-level security review meeting regarding the incidents and target killing in the state, he will address the gathering in Jammu. Jammu will also inaugurate a new block in IIT. Highly placed sources said that the Home Minister will reach Srinagar on October 23. Here, he will participate in the beneficiary conference organized at SKICC. After the removal of 370 from the beneficiaries of central schemes and Panchayati representatives, the feedback will be taken about the development works being done on the ground. On behalf of the National Investigation Agency (NIA) conspiracy to carry out violent terrorist activities in Jammu and Kashmir and other major cities by Lashkar-e-Toiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, Hizbul Mujahideen and Al-Badr searches were conducted at several places in the matter. The NIA is continuously taking action in connection with the killings of the civilians in the valley. At the same time, people have also been questioned. Raids are being conducted by the NIA in the valley for several weeks. Those who have raided here are accused of directly or indirectly helping terrorists. The properties of many such people have been confiscated. Some people have been arrested and are being questioned. The civilians and non-locals who have been killed in Kashmir are being told the hand of new terrorist organizations behind these incidents. However, small groups like TRF, PAFF and KFF have been raised by big terrorist organizations like Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. Big relief to the farmers of Kiria Gandyal. The paddy market is being opened by the administration of Kathua. District Deputy Commissioner Kathua Rahul Yadav and DDC member Dr. Shweta Kumari inaugurated it. DDC Rahul Yadav said that they will ensure that the farmers will get reasonable amount from the crops they will grow here. He also said that the keeping weather conditions in mind, they should do farming here in the fields.
पंजाब नहीं जा पा रहा है, तो उसको देखते हुए हमारे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं डॉक्टर चित्तर सिंह साहब, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर साहब जो हैं, उनकी तरफ से भी ये इनिशिएटिव लिया गया और जो FCI के साथ टेकअप करने के बाद एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट के थ्रू यहाँ पर आज हमारी एक और मंडी कीड़िया गंडियाल में स्टार्ट हो रही है और इसी टाइप से एक और मंडी हमारी मुकुंदपुर में भी स्टार्ट हो रही है। तो अभी तक जो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 8 मंडियाँ पिछले कई सालों से लगा करती थी, उनका नंबर बढ़कर अब 10 हो गया है। तो इससे जो हमारा जो पूरा कीड़िया गंडियाल एरिया है, इसको काफ़ी फ़ायदा होगा और आने वाले समय में भी मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इसी टाइप से हमारी और भी जहाँ पर भी ज़रूरत होगी, गवर्नमेंट जो हम FCI के साथ टेकअप कर वहाँ पर भी कोशिश करेंगे कि मंडियाँ खुल पाएँ। और सभी किसान भाइयों से मेरा ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा कि वो अपना वाजिब दामों पर यहाँ पर जो अपना धान बेचें और जो केंद्र सरकार की एक कोशिश है कि किसान को उसकी फसल का वाजिब दाम मिले।
Mega annual training camp culminated today in Rajwar sector, Kupwara district. The camp was organized by 3 J&K Battalion NCC, Baramulla under aegis of NCC Group Headquarters Srinagar and NCC Directorate Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh in coordination with the Nagra Under Army camp. It is pertinent to highlight here that this is the first ever NCC camp conducted in the insurgency hit hinterland belt of North Kashmir, in which 110 senior division and junior division cadets participated in the annual training camp organized at Nagrandar village in Handwara from 16th to 22nd October. NCC cadets belonging to the schools and colleges of Uri, Kupwara, Handwara, Langet, Sopor, Patan, Bandipora, Baramulla and adjoining villages of Rajwar sector attended the camp. Officials said that the primary aim of the camp was to impart training as well as motivate the youth in nation building, besides shortlisting suitable NCC cadets for different levels of competitions at state and national level.
सर बहुत अच्छी तरह सर, मैं तो बोलता हूँ सर, मैं एक लड़का सिलेक्ट हुआ तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट बारामूला से नेक्स्ट गेम के लिए सर, एक मैं सिलेक्ट हुआ सर। मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी सर, मेरे लिए बहुत मेहनत की सर ने, हमारे सीओ साहब ने, हमारे लिए PS स्टाफ सब ने हमारे लिए बहुत मेहनत की सर।
बहुत बढ़िया था सर, इससे हमें बहुत सर दूसरे कल्चर के साथ घुलने मिलने का मौका मिला सर, यूनिटी मिली, हमें डिसिप्लिन सीखने को मिला, फौज के बारे में सीखने को मिला, क्या होता है आर्मी में, कैसी लाइफ होती है सर। और बहुत सारी सर लेक्चर्स हुए हमारे यहाँ, फायरिंग ट्रेनिंग हुई सर, हम ट्रैकिंग के लिए गए सर, बहुत मज़ा आया सर। कहना चाहूँ
On completion of the target of 100 crore COVID vaccine, senior BJP leader Baldev Singh Biloria reached Gangyal Hospital and honoured many medical staff, including Medical Superintendent Dr. Arun Verma and Dr. Bharat Bhushan Zucchi.
अच्छे वातावरण में ना यहाँ शोर होने दिया, ना यहाँ रश होने दिया, और जो भी यहाँ से वैक्सीनेशन लगवा के गया बेहतरीन तरीके से सेटिस्फाई होके गया। आज हमारी पूरी बेहतरीन टीम यहाँ पर, हमारी पूर्व पार्षद आदरणीय श्रीमती सुरेश जुम्बाल जी, हमारे वर्तमान पार्षद आदरणीय श्री जयदीप शर्मा जी यहाँ पर हमारे साथ, और हमारी पूरी टीम है। यकीनन डॉक्टर इला जी और इनकी पूरी टीम ने जो बेहतरीन कार्य किया है, हम दिल की गहराई से इनको बधाई भी देंगे। और लगातार ये जो कार्य इन्होंने जारी रखा है, ईश्वरी काम है, अपनी जान को जोखिम में डाल के ये कार्य करते हैं।
A rally was carried out from Maharaja Hari Singh Park to Dr. Farooq Abdullah's house in Bhattindi as a symbol of unity and brotherhood in Jammu and Kashmir. Ayub Malik said that the workers of the National Conference, who were suppressed for 5 to 7 years today, they have come forward happily because the National Conference has now become the voice of the workers, and this rally is proof of that.
नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का वर्कर दबा था, आज उनमें लहर आई। डॉक्टर साहब ने हमें यकीन दिया भाई नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस में जो लीडर और वर्कर की दूरियां थी वो आज ख़त्म हो गई। आज के बाद जो दूरियां थी वो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की वर्कर और लीडर के बीच में वो ख़त्म हुई। डॉक्टर साहब ने गारंटी दी हमें। तो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस जितने भी ये यहाँ जम्मू के हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई हैं, हमारा एकता भाईचारे पे हम ये नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस आज के बाद काम करेगी, ये आपको यकीन देते हैं। गरीबों के लिए हमारे 24 घंटे दरवाजे खुले हैं, आगे भी खुले थे। पूरे लॉकडाउन में मीडिया वालों को पता है हम किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, तो काम करने के लिए नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस फारूक साहब ने आज इजाज़त दे दी।
Sunil Dimple, President Mission Statehood, in a press conference expressed that he is unhappy with PM Narendra Modi because he addressed the nation on many issues, but the Jammu and Kashmir sensitivity is being totally ignored by them, and many important issues remain unattended. PM uttered no words about the killings of innocent people and farmers recently happened in Kashmir, as they were expecting they will brief about this incident and will visit Jammu and Kashmir.
शामिल करें। और इसके आप देख रहे हैं कि जम्मू कश्मीर के ऊपर आपका कोई भी बयान नहीं आया। हमने राजनाथ सिंह रक्षा मंत्री जी से भी ये गुजारिश करी है कि आप भी जम्मू कश्मीर का दौरा करें, और हर रोज आज भी अभी पिछले 10 दिनों से इनकाउंटर्स जो है हमारे पुंछ में चल रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी तक वो इनकाउंटर्स खत्म नहीं हो रहे। और आपकी कोई क्लियर स्टैंड पाकिस्तान और चाइना को लेकर के, आतंकवादियों को लेकर के कोई स्पष्ट नहीं है। इसलिए हम आपसे गुजारिश करेंगे कि कश्मीर की वो तमाम संगठन, मुस्लिम संगठन, तमाम संस्थाएं जो एहतजाज कर रही है इन खून खराबे के विरोध में, इनोसेंट किलिंग्स के विरोध में, उनके ऊपर विश्वास कीजिए और भरोसा कीजिए।
Actor Ananya Pandey has been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB) for another round of questioning at 11 a.m. today. Yesterday, the actress recorded her statement in connection with the arrest of Aryan Khan, the son of Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan. Aryan, whose bail hearings was put off by the Bombay High Court till October 26, earlier in the day got his first visit from family as Khan came to the Arthur Road jail to meet the 23-year-old. China's foreign ministry urged the United States to avoid sending any wrong signals to the proponents of Taiwanese independence after President Joe Biden said the United States would come to the Chinese claimed island's defense. China has no room for concessions when it comes to its core interests, ministry spokesman Wang Wenbin told in Beijing.
ये थी अब तक की कुछ बड़ी खबरें। और खबरों के लिए जुड़े रहें द न्यूज़ नाउ के साथ। धन्यवाद।